Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to today's tutorial where we will guide you through the essential steps to diagnose and repair your computer. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Additionally, having an anti-static wrist strap will help to prevent any damage to your components. Once you have your tools ready, the first step is to power down your computer and unplug it from the wall. Safety first. Now, let's open the case. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the side panel. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Inside the case, you'll see various components. Start by visually inspecting for any loose cables or dust buildup. If you notice a lot of dust, use the compressed air to clean the internals. Make sure to do this gently, as you don't want to damage any components. If you're feeling overwhelmed or need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's check the RAM. Remove the RAM sticks by pushing down on the clips at either end. Inspect each stick for any visible damage. If you're not equipped to do this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, making the process easier for you. After inspecting the RAM, reseat them firmly back into their slots. Ensure they click into place. Now, let's move on to the hard drive. Remove the screws holding it in place and slide it out. Check the connections and ensure they are secure. If you suspect issues with your hard drive, we can provide you with a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Next, let's take a look at the power supply. Check the connections to the motherboard and other components. If you notice any burnt smells or visible damage, it may need replacement. If you don't have the tools to test it, don't worry. We can assist you. It's important to clean the internal components regularly. Accumulated dust can lead to overheating and hardware failures. Use the compressed air to blow out the dust from the fans and heat sinks. This simple maintenance step can prolong the life of your computer significantly. If you follow these steps and your computer still isn't functioning, it may be time to seek professional help. Remember, we are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your computer back in shape. Finally, before reassembling your case, ensure all components are securely in place and all cables are connected. Replace the side panel and screw it back into place. Plug your computer back in and power it on. If it boots up successfully, congratulations! You've just completed a DIY computer repair. Should you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out for our expert services. We are happy to help guide you through any complex repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.